guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Sonia Verardo here. I'm fashion, beauty and lifestyle blogger, and I write daily posts on my Instagram and on my blog. It's soniaverardo.com, so feel free to check it out. I hope you will enjoy watching this video that I have prepared for you today, especially if you are beauty addict, in terms that you love to experiment with different beauty products. So I have a really good skincare recommendation for you. It's by Uriage Bariederm Creme. It's Cica Creme with zinc, and basically it contains copper, zinc, protects, repairs, insulates, purifies and soothes. I got this in a little beauty kit. It contained this cream and also the water mist, which I already used up, and it was just absolutely refreshing and amazing feeling on my face. I loved using it as a toner basically, or in summer heat, just to freshen up my face. Even at the beach, it was just the best thing ever. And now, as you can see, I'm about to use up this little cream, so I just wanted to do a quick review because I really loved it. And now, to be honest with you, I did not have any big expectations. I thought this cream is a bit more appropriate maybe for whoever has blemish prone skin, but this is not the case. It's actually great for irritated skin and just very delicate, sensitive skin, and also for dry skin. So it's basically one product that is really good and beneficial for every skin type, I would say. What I really liked about this product is the fact that it's actually very nourishing, very soothing on your face. So if you have, let's say, dry skin and also sensitive skin that is prone to just getting irritated, especially in winter time when outside it's cold and windy, this is just the perfect product for you, because it will just nurture your skin, it will nourish it, it will just replenish it, and it will form like a barrier, so your face won't suffer the cold wind or even in summertime. This does not contain a UV filter, so make sure to get another sun protection filter if you are, going outside in the sun. But this is just perfect little product all year round. It's great for nighttime skincare, just when your skin goes to bed and it needs a little bit of time to relax and just restore itself. But also in the mornings, it's great as a makeup base as well. It holds the makeup really well. Some creams, when they are a little bit more textured, tend to kind of run off together with your makeup, which is really annoying, but this one really holds makeup well. It's really good base for makeup, so that's why I love it. And also it will really soothe irritated skin, so in case in summertime you got sunburned a little bit, this is a great product to have. If you have any kind of redness or irritation for whatever reason, maybe some beauty product did not agree with you, this is also really good to calm your skin. I recently used one face mask that actually left my face red. I don't know if that was supposed to happen or what, but it did not feel good, So I just applied this in a rich layer on my face, and in a matter of an hour or two, the irritation was completely gone and my face felt, soothed, so that was amazing. I like to use this cream on top of my beauty oil. When I take my makeup off before going to bed, I will use some kind of natural oil, whether it's rose oil or argan oil, and then I will apply this on top, and it will make my face a little bit more greasy. It's not a bad feeling at all, actually. I really like when my face is all, nourished and moisturized and greasy in the evenings. I made plenty of videos about my skincare regimen, and a lot of videos actually, like vlogs or stuff without makeup, and you can often see me very shiny and oily, and this is all because I really like to apply oils on my face and then apply these rich and nourishing creams, and I just like that way in a natural way I can prevent, you know, my skin from aging too fast, you know, at least from showing signs of age, because seriously we cannot prevent aging, but you know, we can slow down the process a little bit and just make sure that our skin is getting the best possible ingredients and nutrients from the outside and the inside that can help our skin look good in the years that are yet to come. So this Uriage, it does not have any scent, which is really nice, especially because a lot of people don't actually like strong perfume scent in beauty creams, beauty products. I do have one beauty favorite of mine that I've been using for years, and it's Veleda Skin Food, which is like a little cult product of mine, but some people told me they don't like the scent at all. And Cera di Cupra as well, it's Italian beauty product, which is actually super inexpensive but really nice. But I've got comments on it as well. Some people like it, some people love it, as I do, as my mom do, but some people just can't stand the scent. But with this product here, it agrees with sensitive skin and it does not have any scent whatsoever. It's just very white, thick paste cream consistency, and because it contains copper zinc, it has antibacterial properties, so that's why it's really good if you have like blemish problems. It has antibacterial properties as well, which is amazing. So that's why I think a lot of people will love this cream. It's really good cream to have all year round, as I've said, and it's good for babies, children, adults, for face, body, and even for diaper area, which is basically amazing. So it's really good cream to have for the entire family basically. It's great that it can also soothe the diaper irritation and just prevent that from happening. So I just recently discovered it basically. My son is out of the diapers but otherwise I would have tried this on him as well. Okay guys, so that was it, a little quick review of this cream. Today I will probably use it up for the very last time because there is a little of it left, and yeah, that's it. Please like this video and subscribe for more. If you have any requests, leave them down below and I will be happy to film for you. A big kiss from Croatia. Bye!